Okay, so my next problem is just to take this and fix it in place while the glue dries. Now I can fix it downwards quite easily by just putting in an upright that'll hold against the deck. It's strong enough to do that. And I can fix this side by whacking a couple of screws through the bulkhead. I want screws that won't come all the way through and that'll hold it tight enough. So I mean, that would be strong. Not convenient. I like these Galv because of the rubber washer. Roofing screws are very good. See if there's any small ones. I think what I'll do, I'm going to modify this size. There's two ways I can modify this size. I can block them out. I think I'll block them out because I don't want to be putting a bunch of pressure on the back of the thing, so I'll just flatten a couple of these washers and then bulk them up with rubber, because I've got heaps of the rubber washers here already. There we go. Pretty much ideal. That one's got a bit of shit on it. Stuff on it, I mean, shouldn't be swearing. It's a family show. Right, flat washers. I have to remember to make my blathering audible. Bit of cork would be classy, but I don't know if this is going to be permanently in the boat or not. Yeah, I'm unsatisfied with the rubber. Too squishy. I'll put rubber in it, but I'll put something before the rubber. Let's see, let's just think about this for a second. Because I've got two kinds of rubber washers. I've got these big ones, and they've got well, the big rubber washers, their intended purpose is to go on top of a roof underneath one of those and create a seal. There's a seal here to stop water getting in there, and then there's a seal there to stop water getting from here into the inside of this bit, and then there's a seal here apart from the secondary seal here to stop water getting from this bit to this bit, then there's a seal there. So it's a 4-seal system. It's actually quite a good system. I mean, it's made to keep out torrential rain and what have you. I just wonder if it's going to be hindered by being made flat and then by being made to go that way. I don't know that it is, honestly. One of those plates is sufficient. Shouldn't be ripping them on and off. So I'm going to flatten these properly. Don't know where I put my anvil. Haven't been smithing much. the thing I call my anvil. It's just a really big hammer. Right. One down. Just do this one. Here's my flat bit. I'm going to make that bit the flat bit. I was almost tempted just to stick this in with butanol adhesive. That's what a roofer would do, but I'm not a roofer. Heck, this band certainly does like their discords, don't they? Whoa, makes me feel a bit queasy. I wonder if this is going to be stronger with 3 rubbers in. I think I might just use 1 rubber, because that's how it's done, and I'll make a little spacer. I'll make a little ply spacer washer. This ply's got relatively low compression. It's far too thin. This is the bit of wood I made the boom out of. It's too nice. This is the same kind of wood that I made the boom out of, from the same old structure. About a 50-year-old structure, but it's full of knots. Well, that bit's only got 1 knot in it. So I'll use this bit, which is junky. I like to husband my resources. No one uses husband like that anymore. Very much. Where's my machete? Have us a couple of wee washers. Let's look at the size of them. Let's look at the size of our thing. Where's our thing? That's not it. Got the same wall thickness, but I want to look at the actual thing for visual effect. Oh, here it goes. Problem with having too many sticks in the workshop. So there's our spacer. This is all just to jam it in place while the glue dries. And this is the wrong thickness. I want a thicker thickness than that. I'll fix this. Quite nice wedges. Wrong shape. Hey! I wonder if this little bit of scrap ply is the right thickness. Not that this is ply. Ply is the one where the grains go different ways, and this one the grains all go the same approximate ways. Yep, that's right. As you can see, that'll do peachly once you've got the thickness of the deck. And we'll jam this little washer in there. Kablooey! Hey, Bob's your Bob. Now, okay then, time for the drilly hole machine. not so technically advanced that I've got an actual driver for these, but it doesn't really bother me. On account of how I've got spanners. Oh, there's my drilly driver. Those are too small. Good for the first stage hole. I like to make the first stage hole just snug, or a little bit of a squeeze. Straight up and down. Whoopsie daisy, almost snapped the drill bit. Just how not to do it. Now it's all bent. Can't decide whether to put some kind of finishing on this wee blocky in case it ends up becoming an incorporated part of the buat. Grab it. Yeah, it's annoying. This will grab it. Kind of wants to slippy out. Might have to actually use an actual spinner. But nope. Because that's easier than using a spinner after all. So I'm going to set up 2 blocks like this in the boat. Have the holes, have the screws just poking just barely out of the bulkhead. I'm going to lay this in the correct position. Give it a wee tweak in that direction to mark 2 little holes. Figure out my angles, drill my guides, and then screw the widgets in with the thing in between here and then here's the bulkhead. Whammo. Okay.